Itong 6K na to is free ko lang nakuha. Select ko for example, 4 days, ito yung na-earn ko. I guess so today yung discussions natin or topic natin dito is that commonly asked questions dito sa ating YouTube channel, which is kung saan nga ba ako lilipat, no? If ever man na magkaroon ng approach on banning Binance dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, no? So, itong opinion ko to is that personal opinion ko lang to, been trading in crypto space almost a decade na dito. So, bibigay ko lang dito guys yung perspective ko using yung mga Web3 wallets, local exchange, and then if you are experienced trader, if you want to use other exchange based on your understanding, skills, experience guys, no? So I'll share this platform lang in my own opinion. Pero before tayo dito mag-start guys, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, unang discussions natin dito guys is that yung self-custody na tinatawag, gamit yung, for example, if you have cellphone, you can just use yung mga Web3 wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, other wallets such as Rabi Wallet, as well as yung sa Atom, Kepler, Compass Wallet, or Leap Wallet. Yan yung mga example dito. If you want your own custody, make sure you take note yung said phrase, yung private key, na ikaw lang yung nakakaalam sa safe and secure paglalagyan mo guys, no? Kasi it's your keys, no, and it's your responsibilities, it's your own self-custodies dito. Punta naman tayo guys doon sa local exchange dito sa atin. Matagal ko nang binigyan to ng perspective guys sa ating YouTube channel. So, mapapansin nyo naman yan. Unang-una guys is itong si coins.ph, no? So, we use a lot itong si coins.ph. Unang wallet natin yan. Diyan ako unang bumili 7-Eleven to coins.ph back in around 2016, no? Next one is that itong si Gcrypto, using Gcash, and say for example meron dyan pinaka crypto wallet inside, no? Next one is itong si PDAX, no? By the way pala guys, I think si Gcash is just riding PDAX, no, just to integrate yung Gcrypto dyan. So PDAX, we've been using that platform for quite some time now, and isa sa mga local crypto exchange na license na merong decent license dito sa atin, no? Yun, as mentioned, we just discussed yung mga ginagamit natin na wallets aside from Binance guys, no? And big respect for Binance, been using that platform kahit bear market guys, no? We just win some tournaments during bear market, yung mga trading tournaments, no? And on my end, I just utilize yung pinaka platform benefits, as well as for the SEC. Big respect for the SEC kasi they are one of the regulators that have this authority para sa mga scams, mga scammers. And I'm very disappointed to those people who use Binance unethical way. They create their own platform tapos pina-front up nila yung Binance just to solicit investments, no? Especially mga high-yield investment platforms, yung mga Ponzi schemes, no? They guaranteed profits, say for example 20%, 1%, which is crypto is very risky and dapat hindi gina-guaranteed. Please be careful for that platform guys, no? Make sure you understand the risk and reward in crypto space. Huwag kayo basta-basta maniniwala. Make your own research sa end din nyo kasi kayo din magbe-benefit niyan in the future. On my end, I just give my insights, opinion ko lang dito. So please be careful online guys. Yun. Today, bibigyan ko lang ulit, as mentioned, this video is just for ideas lang, just my opinion dito guys, no? As well as mga nagtatanong dito, opinion ko. Pag-uusapan natin dito guys, yung platform na sa tingin ko, halos magkalapit lang din siya ni Binance and acquired a decent license recently in Hong Kong. So yun, punta tayo dito guys sa application. Gamit yung cellphone, you can just use this application lang. Walk through ko lang dito kayo guys, just to check, no? Ito, upon observations then on the security. Maganda yung pinaka-security nila. Same goes with Kraken, no? Aside from license, I think upon observation is that they are active as well acquiring licenses guys, no? So, yun, I gradually transfer my assets din dito. Aside from hardware wallets, we have Trezor, Ledger, and we have SafeAll as well dito just to have our own custody for long term. Ito yung application na ginagamit natin guys. I'll drop na lang yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na to for you to check and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? And meron ding trading fee discount once you use yung official link natin dito. Matagal na rin natin to guys, no? Binigyan ng perspective sa ating YouTube channel, Coins.ph, PDAX, yung mga licensed crypto exchange as well as itong platform na ito guys, no? So upon checking dito guys, halos kaparehas naman siya ni Binance, no? P2P trading, if you want to, for example, if you want to withdraw your profit or if you want to top up dito, punta ka lang sa P2P trading. Pag wala dito guys is that punta ka lang dito sa more and then hanapin mo dito sa taas, no? Meron din silang trading bot. I've been using this one. So say for example, I have profits dito to 42 and we have 5 running bots dito, 73 USDT, 9 hours pa lang to. We have profits as well dito, 6 days, tapos 119 USDT. Again guys, itong pinaka-result na to is that it based on your skills, no, experience, and as mentioned, it does not guarantee. Kasi trading bots, for example, futures, grid, spot trading is that very risky if you don't understand how it works, no? If you don't have technical analysis ideas. No worries guys, if you want to have an ideas dito, you can just watch our live, no? So make sure to subscribe and turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga live streams natin dito on the spot natin na binibigyan ng Q&A during our live, no? Aside from that, meron pa siyang DCA bot. Meron din siya ditong launch pool, no? So, sa launch pool as well, I have these profits na. So, say for example, we have Mabia dito. Mamaya papakita ko na lang. Pero walkthrough ko na lang kayo muna doon sa P2P, no? So, back muna tayo dito, tapos back. And then, punta tayo dito guys. Say for example, nasa home tayo. Gusto ko mag-withdraw ng profits ko. Punta lang ako sa P2P trading. Ayan. Garit ko lang to, tas I acknowledge, no? And then, for example, I want to sell. Same goes with Binance lang naman yung pinaka-executions, no? You can transfer your asset going bank transfer or going GCash, no? Ito. And meron na din ako dito pinaka-previous cash out. So, punta muna ako dito. All. May mga cash out natin. 8K, nag-reflect na yan sa ating GCash. And simple as that, guys, no? So, sa buy naman, if you want to buy, say for example, gamit Coins.ph, using banks, andito naman. So, select mo lang dito yung pinaka-payment method. Tapos si GCash, no? It depends kung ano yung may option mo. And then once you click buy dito, sundan mo lang yung pinaka step by step dito kung magkanong amount in PHP, yung gusto mong bilhin, yung pinaka details dito, kung anong option na nandito naman sa taas. So for example, Coins.ph or GCash, no? So you can sort this one, GCash, and then confirm. Lalabas na yung option for GCash, guys, no? Make sure lang guys to check yung pinaka-orders as well as yung pinaka-percentage dito, guys, no? Much better 96, 98, 100% is much better, guys, no? So ito is that prominent na, mas kilala na siya, and one of my criteria yan. So pagtapos nyan, back muna tayo dito. So simple as that, guys, no? If you want to deposit your USDT naman, for crypto naman, so for example, if you're trying to transfer your assets from Binance, again, this is only an example, guys, no? So punta ka lang dito sa assets and then just select dito sa my deposit tab, deposit crypto na ito. So simple as that. You can use this one as well. Ito naman if you have card, no? P2P trading yung diniscuss natin kanina. So make sure din dito, guys, sa assets. So sometimes you need to use transfer. Sa funding, usually, dapat dito nakalagay, no, if you want to cash out your USDT. So, madali lang naman siya gamitin. Ito, pwede mong palitan. Kung nakalagay sa spot wallet, select mo lang to para magkapalitan sila. And then, andito yung pinaka-amount. Max mo lang siya. Select mo yung coin na ita-transfer mo dito. Pagkatapos niyan, tap confirm, no? Sometimes, for example, if you want to transfer from derivatives, nandito naman, no? So, select mo lang tong option dito sa taas, and then pagkatapos niyan, for example, derivatives, and ita-transfer mo siya kay funding account para i-withdraw mo siya going GCash, is that pwede dito, no? So USDT. And for example, you deposited naman, nakalagay sa spot, punta ka lang dito ulit, tapos select mo yung spot, papunta kay funding, no? So simple as that, vice versa dito, guys. And then back tayo dito. Minsan hindi nyo nakikita or hindi nyo nagagamit, no, pag gumagamit kayo dito sa markets. So punta ka lang sa assets mo, tapos hanapin mo dito sa any of these options, no? Sa markets naman, punta tayo dito. So, usually, this is derivatives, no? So, sa spot, for example, sa spot, I want to trade, for example, search ko muna dito si Mavia. Just an example lang. So, select ko to. And then, dito guys, no? So, you can just click this plus button para mag-transfer, no? So, for example, transfer, nasa funding siya. And then, gusto mo siya i-transfer going to spot to utilize yung USDT. So, just tap max mo lang or depends kung magkano yung gagamitin mo dito, no? So, simple as that. Back muna tayo dito. And then, punta tayo dito sa home. Discuss ko na rin pala guys, no, itong sa more. And then, pagkatapos niyan dito sa my launch pool na ito. If you have USDT, is that you can earn dito, no? You can earn daily dito. For example, meron ka ding Mavia, an example. Parang launchpad style siya. So, back. Ang pinaka-assets na na-earn mo is that mapupunta sa may assets tab. And then dito sa may products, no? Sa may earn tab. And meron ako dito guys, example, itong si Mavia. So, say for example, punta tayo sa launch pool. Meron ako ditong Mavia pool, no? As you can see, ito yung na-earn ko na. And magre-reflect itong total yield sa may funding mo, no? So, let's go back. And back. Punta ka lang sa funding dito. And then, so yun, dito na magre-reflect yun, no? So, itong 6K na to is free ko lang nakuha. So, select ko for example. Tapos punta ako dito sa history. And then all transactions. So, yeah, 4 days, ito yung na-earn ko for Mavia, no? So, simple as that. And again, guys, may risk pa rin dito if bumaba yung presyo niya is that magkakaroon ka pa rin dito ng losses, no? So, again, make sure you understand the risk and reward dito for us to have informed decisions, no? Simple as that. We just need to go home. And dito pala guys sa Rewards Hub, once you created an account, you can just check dito sa Rewards Hub. Meron dito mga free USDT which is you can claim, no? Pag newly user ka, kaka-create mo lang na account, meron dito mga free. Ito, may mga free USDT dito sa simple task. You can claim free USDT dito sa may Rewards Hub, guys, no? You can check sa my rewards. Ito, recently yung NFT, no? Yun, you can just check this Rewards Hub, guys, no? And if you want to withdraw your profits, P2P trading lang. Maybe in the next coming days, we'll discuss itong trading bot. Kasi I earn naman din dito kahit papano. I just want to share lang. Pretty much it, guys. Kung meron kayong mga questions, just ask lang dito sa video natin or sa comment section ng video na to, guys. Yun lang for today, guys. Hope you get some ideas dito sa video natin. Hope this video helps. Maraming salamat ulit, guys, sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.